Hi everyone. Before we rush into 2026, setting big financial goals, let me ask you a serious question. What if the reason most people don't build wealth isn't lack of money, but hidden roadblocks they ignore? 2025 taught us a lot. Inflation, lifestyle pressure, unexpected expenses, and if you don't address these issues now, they will quietly sabotage your finances next year. So in this video, I'm sharing 5 major financial roadblocks that can derail your wealth in 2026, and more importantly, what to do instead. Roadblock 1. Lifestyle creep. The first and most common roadblock is lifestyle creep. This is when your income increases, but your spending increases even faster. A new job equals a new car, bonuses in new gadgets, new appliances, a new phone, or new subscription. Now the problem is you look successful on the outside, but your bank account is still struggling. Lifestyle creep keeps people trapped at the same financial level for years. And what's the solution? In 2026, make this your rule. Every income increase must first increase your savings and investments, not just your lifestyle. You pay yourself first, then you upgrade responsibly. Roadblock number 2 is living without an emergency fund. Many people are one car repair, medical bill, or a job disruption away from financial stress. And without an emergency savings, every unexpected expense pushes you into debt. Emergencies don't mean you failed, they mean life happened. And so what's the solution? Your goal for 2026 should be simple. Build 3 to 6 months of basic living expenses in a separate account. This fund is not for vacations, shopping, or investment. It's your financial peace account. Roadblock number 3 is high interest debts. Credit cards, buy now, pay later plans, or personal loans may look harmless, but interest is silently working against you every day. So while you're trying to save, interest is undoing your progress. Remember the rule of 72 that we discussed in our 30 days of financial power. It tells us that when you divide 72 by your rate of return, whatever your answer is the number of years it will take your investment dollars to double. So the same thing applies with debt. In that example, we shared someone that had $10,000 in investment with a 10% rate of return. That takes the person 7.2 years for the money to double. So every 7.2 years, the 10,000 becomes 20,000, or 20,000 becomes 40,000, and it goes on and on like that. The same thing applies to our debts. With high interest debts like credit card debts, which is about 18%, 72 divided by 18 will give you only 4, which means that every 4 years, the balance on that credit card has the tendency of doubling. That is why in 2026, the solution to this is to stop normalizing debts. Create a clear payoff plan, either the snowball method or the avalanche method, and then you commit to it. We also discussed about the snowball method in the playlist of the 30 days of financial power. So I'll link that in the description below. So every dollar freed from high interest debt is the dollar that can finally work for you. Now remember that the list of roadblocks that we're sharing here are not in no specific order of importance. But this next roadblock that I'd like to share with you is very, very important. And that is roadblock number 4, delaying financial protection. Many people want to invest first and protect later, but wealth without protection is very fragile. One illness, one accident, or a sudden loss of job can wipe out years of efforts. I'd like to drop it here that your protection need will be different from that of your colleague at work, or your friend, your relatives, or neighbor. So it's very important for you to sit with a financial professional and have them develop a protection plan that is tailored towards your specific needs. So how do you solve this problem or avoid this roadblock from derailing your wealth journey in 2026? You must start your financial foundation with protection. Life insurance, health insurance, and income protection. You take some time to review what you already have, because protection doesn't mean lack of faith, it means wisdom. You don't build a house without a foundation. And this takes me to the final roadblock, which is not having a clear plan or a clear financial identity. Most people say, I just want to be better with money, and they go about winging it, allowing spending their money, spending their tax refund, whatever increase, whatever raise they have at work, however they see fit. Now, that's not a plan. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear. Now, the solution to this for 2026 is to shift from vague goals to identity-based actions. You have to stop saying, I want to save money. You have to start saying, I'm a disciplined wealth builder who plans, protects, and invests intentionally. 2026 will reward people who are intentional, prepared, and disciplined. Avoiding these 5 roadblocks: lifestyle creep, no emergency fund, high interest debt, no protection, and no clear plan won't just make you survive financially. You will build stability, momentum, and legacy. So if this video helped you, like it, subscribe, and comment below. What financial roadblock are you committing to remove in 2026? Let's build wealth together on purpose. See you in my next video.